Hi everybody, I am Florence from Switzerland, and I had the chance to follow the 6 months master program in the 𝐀𝐜𝐿 Academy in Mumbai. And among the precious teaching I received there is the Polarity Analysis given by Dr. Devang Shah. First, I could sit with him and see many of his patients with very good results. And then I could follow his webinar, which is very helpful, very clear, and quickly makes you become a good practitioner. Polarity Analysis is based on a repertory made by Dr. Bonnighausen, so it's part of classical homeopathy. And the clever idea is that he considered the contradictory symptoms in the province, and he excludes them so that the remedy selection becomes very, very accurate and powerful. And even more, I could say that Dr. Devang Shah is as well brilliant with sensation method. So he beautifully combines it with polarity analysis. And this is very wonderful to see, and it could improve my practice to the best. So a profound thank you to Dr. Devang Shah.